Hello, FM World. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joanna Brzezińska, and I have the great pleasure to host today's meeting with you on this very special day, the day of the official launch of the FM World Product Catalogue number 33. We have done a lot of thinking about how this catalogue premiere should look like and what format should be adopted. Meetings with our business partners are extremely important for us, but in the interest of the safety of us all, we decided to take you on a virtual journey through our new products. In the latest FM World Catalogue, there will be over 70 new products introduced. But that's not all. Some products have a new graphic design. Others will be revamped with a new formula or return to the catalogue after a short absence. Together with the new catalogue, we are also changing our approach to its distribution. As you may already know, it will only be available in digital format. Minimizing environmental pollution is our common concern and one of the main objectives of FM World's activity. Apart from reducing emissions of harmful substances used in printing marketing materials, we also aim to change the shipping packaging. In the near future, FM World partners will receive ordered products packaged in sustainable materials. And this is just the beginning of what we plan to do within the project FM Eco-Friendly, whose logo will appear on numerous environmentally friendly products and promotional materials.
Until recently, our catalogs were printed in hundreds of thousands of copies all over the world. Lots of paper, lots of print, more and more limited usability and non-ecological distribution. We can no longer allow this harm to the environment. Therefore, consciously and responsibly, FM World is becoming eco-friendly. The digital catalog, product lines, packaging materials will be available in an environmentally friendly version. Take this step with us.
The digital version of the catalogue will have several additional features, which will make our business partners work easier. More details will come later in the program because in a moment we are going to show you the graphic design of the new catalogue. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you covers of the FM World Product Catalogue number 33. Covers of our catalogues are their best showcase. That is why we compile each of them with the utmost care. In the catalogue number 33, we decided to give them an even more unique look. Therefore, this time we arranged a special photo session. Take a look behind the scenes and see how the covers were created. I am sure that your skillful eyes caught some shots that were not used and did not appear on the presented covers of the latest catalogue. And you are perfectly right. The latest catalogue will have more than 2 covers. This comes with another change brought by catalogue number 33.
The FM World Product Catalogue number 33 comes with a number of changes. Our intention is to show new products only when they are available in our warehouse. That means that new products in catalog number 33 are presented in several steps. Products that are on their way to the warehouse but are not yet available are blurred and then marked in the catalog as coming soon. As the product is available for sale, it is unveiled. Each edition of the catalog featuring new available products will also have a new cover. Stay tuned.
Working on the development of new products during the COVID-19 pandemic involves a number of constraints. Despite our best efforts, not all manufacturers were able to deliver the new products prepared for you within the time frame we set. Therefore, Catalogue number 33 will have several official launches, during which we will demonstrate products which are physically available in the FM World Warehouse and are ready to be shipped to our branches stores. Next premieres will be held at several days intervals. Follow our media channels, for soon we will let you know when our next meeting is. We are already familiar with the covers of the Catalogue number 33. We also know that we are going to meet more often to learn about new products to be launched, as well as see new covers. And now the time has come to discover the products in the first presentation of the latest FM World Catalogue. Let's start the first presentation of new products in the Catalogue number 33 with items prepared in line with the FM eco-friendly approach, which you can find in the Smart and Clean line. Ecological cleaning products will take care not only of your home, but also of your skin, health and the environment. Discover the beneficial power of probiotic preparations.
Household cleaners are meant to be hostile to germs, but they can also be hostile to our environment. Our products are more eco-friendly. We use the power of benevolent probiotics to effectively fight viruses and bacteria. Dishwashing liquid could also be effective and safe, just like floor cleaner or laundry liquid. The entire line of household chemicals should be eco-friendly. Environmentally friendly products will keep your house cleaner longer.
Probiotic cleaning products are a complete novelty in the latest FM World Catalogue. But we do not forget about the product lines which are well known and popular among our business partners. One of them is the Fontana V line, where a new product is being introduced, Ultra Recovery Universal Cream.
Fontana V, Ultra Recovery Universal Cream. This cream effectively regenerates the skin of your face and body and alleviates irritation by reducing dryness, redness and keratosis. It constitutes an irreplaceable soothing compress after cosmetic treatments, depilation, and excessive exposure to UV radiation. Intensive renewal due to a rich formula, the power of moisturizing and oil-active ingredients, beta-glucan from oat grains, colloidal silver, coconut oil, and esters of higher fatty acids. Fontana V.
Another product line where new items are introduced is the NutriCode. Apart from Silver Pro Advanced Formula, which contains precious colloidal silver, there are more new additions to the NutriCode line. That is, Konjac Superfood, a healthy alternative to traditional pasta and rice.
Are you on a low-carb diet? Fit, keto, paleo, or maybe you're even a vegan? Are you fighting for every calorie and every gram? Then Konjac Superfood is for you. It's the healthy alternative to traditional pasta and rice. It satisfies hunger without remorse. The high fiber content allows you to fill your stomach and improve your intestinal motility. Experiment with flavors, textures, and additives. Create delicious meals with no extra calories, free from fat, sugar, and other additives. It's guilt-free, recommended by the Fit6 program.
Konjac Superfood are not the only healthy food products that are introduced in the new Catalogue 33. In the Orel line, there are 4 new products. Owing to beneficial properties of stevia, they are a great alternative for chocolate lovers who can now enjoy its unique taste without the guilt.
In Central and South America, you will discover the plant with magically sweet leaves. Its extract is over 300 times sweeter than sugar, and yet somehow it's calorie-free. This plant is stevia. On this basis, we have manufactured sugar-free chocolates recommended by the Fit6 program. These chocolates have a 0 glycemic index and no calories. That makes them an ideal food additive for people who care about their health and slim figure. That's why you can now enjoy the taste of chocolates without a single drop of remorse.
Since the FM world was founded, high-quality perfume have become our signature. In each of the new catalogues, we present you with several interesting fragrances. In the first presentation of the catalogue number 33, you will find 6 new fragrances in the Pure line, 1 in the Pure Royal line, and as many as 20 new fragrances in the Pure Royal Unisex line, one of which is going to be unique in a special design within the Pure Royal Golden Edition. In a moment, we will introduce you to some of our fragrant novelties. Pure Royal Golden Edition, the finest fragrances forming an original composition with unique durability. It is the Golden Edition of Pure Royal line. Discover the outstanding chords sealed in a sophisticated flacon. Rich structure of Pure Royal 500 perfumes, seemingly heterogeneous and contrasting, creates a surprisingly coherent history. It starts with fresh and bright tones of citrus fruits and galbanum, accompanied by distinctive angelica and saffron. This is followed by the heart and soul of this fragrance, flower bouquet with a hint of myrrh. Finally, it reaches its final character, revealing its true majesty that it appreciates thanks to organic wood tones. Fragrance notes: head, angelica, saffron, lime, galbanum, lime peel, mandarin. Heart: jasmine, heliotropium, myrrh, carrot, iris. Base: sandalwood, vanilla, labdanum, oak moss, leather, Haitian vetiver, musk. Pure Royal number 840 is a bright fragrance filled with the aromas of orange, mandarin and grapefruit, with the notes of charming and complex orient. Fragrance notes: head, ginger, mandarin, lemon, basil, bergamot, violet leaf. Heart: orange flower, pepper, tobacco leaf, grapefruit flower. Base: amber, patchouli, oak moss, vetiver, cedarwood, leather. Pure Royal number 916 constitutes a mysterious and intriguing perfume, whose alluring shaper nature is contrasted by a lovely, innocent pear note. Fragrance notes: head, bergamot, basil, mint. Heart: freesia, pear, rose. Base: musk, patchouli, sandalwood. Pure Royal number 932 wraps you in an enchanting aroma, which provides complete immersion and distracts from everyday worries. Fragrance notes: head, vanilla, coumarin, amberwood, musk. Heart: mugwort, mint, light wood. Base: cardamom, lavender, fresh flowers. Pure Royal number 918 allows you to get the feeling of a sunny day in a forest glade, accompanied by fresh woody aroma. Fragrance notes: head, rhubarb, peach leaf. Heart: violet, rose. Base: light wood, musk. Video product descriptions of all new fragrances will be available on the websites of FM World online stores, together with an up-to-date information about product availability by country. In a special section dedicated to new products in the catalogue number 33, you will also find
Probiotic toothbrush cleaner Fontanavine, fragrance number 489 in the collections Pheromone and Intense, is a perfumed body mist and home ritual fragrance sticks, plus something for almond lovers in the Aureole line, where a selection of almonds in white, milk and dark chocolate will be to your liking.
As I have mentioned before, there are new features in the digital version of our catalogue. Making product recommendations in your FM World store has never been easier. I am very pleased to present to you a personalized business partner catalogue.
Making product recommendations in your FM World store has never been easier. Share your copy of the digital personalized business partner catalog. Then your clients can purchase products by clicking on the link. You can be sure that those points and benefits will be added to your business partner account. Available from November 2020. Stay tuned.
th anniversary of FM World in the Maldives. Additional qualifications for the business partners who did not meet the main qualification rules. August 2019, May 2020. Failed to qualify for 16th FM World anniversary? Nothing is lost. You still have the chance to be part of this amazing event. Please familiarize yourself with the rules for additional qualifications and get a single invitation to FM Island Paradise. For terms and conditions, check our FM World branches websites.
Before saying goodbye, I would like to invite you to a dream world we created especially for you for November, because dreams do come true.
November this year may be special for you. Everyone has a dream that can come true. Make a wish. FM Dreamers, we make dreams come true. This November for FM World Business Partners. FM Dreamers, when dreams become reality. FM Dreamers, coming soon. Dream with us.
So, let's have fun together. Details of the action will be released soon. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. For a good start to whet your appetite, I promise, however, that we have much more for you, and this autumn-winter season will be beautiful and fragrant, as well as healthy and delicious. Stay tuned, follow our websites and social media, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.